I'm just getting my last poses in before we demolish her.
Okay, so we're not really demolishing her. We're actually ripping off the entire front clip. Hood, bumper, grill, fenders, and we have the Rockettes back here. But what we're doing with that is, okay, we're just gonna enjoy the show.
We're taking her apart! Woohoo! Look at the bones. This is the last time you're ever gonna see her like this.
I know.
I'm so nervous. Top one first.
I know it's gonna be alright. Nothing's any talking. You know.
Yeah, wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay, I'll wait for you. How about that? Okay, first one out. Okay, hold on.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh my god, it's really heavy. We forgot something! We're supposed to get rid of all the electrical first. So who's the guy that holds up the world? That's me right now.
Here's the asshole. Alright, I'm gonna go take a break now. See you in a minute.
What? Okay, it's cool. I got it. It's fine. How long are you gonna be?
Right here. You ready?
Nope. Do you think if we ran really fast, we could hit 55 miles an hour down the road and freak everybody out? This is gonna be my new favorite hiding spot. Hi! Listen, if I'm gonna be buried, this is how I want to be. This is definitely a bit of a Frankenstein situation.
There you go. I did it with you here.
Wow, thank you. Oh wow, it's just a regular plug. And there's springs on this thing. Why would there be springs on it?
So it doesn't break the boat.
Although it doesn't feel like those springs are very useful anymore.
I like your grill, Joe. I like that.